go? The answer is probably no.
No.
Back into your go gear. You can now because she's coming where we're going from.
We're going round this little roundabout, then taking the first exit, yeah? Debbie?
This is the second exit. We're just going to turn left here.
Oh, we're going to Asda's, Debbie.
No, we're not going.
We're going there. Debbie, where are we going?
We're going the wrong way. That way. Between the pumps.
Oh, we're going between the pumps.
We're going
You
between
wanted
the
the
pumps.
picture anyway, didn't you, Deb?
No. That way.
Do not put this anywhere. Don't put this on, okay?